Order filled.
So हो गए as it was too good a setup, so I try to look at market as being neutral. So this is part 2 going on. Welcome to Jazz Streams. So this is part 2 of technical tools and how I use them, how I integrate them while I'm trading, what my thought process is, and watch the video. This is we are going to be doing market order today. Wait, 3-4 points, let it go up to 10 and we'll react from there. What is happening right now? Nothing. We gotta wait at least 15 more minutes. At least. I hope market gives us a chance. Okay. Don't go beyond 10, okay? We oh man. They bought up the whole level. I wanted to scalp here. Bought up the whole level. Mm-hmm. Watching at this bookmap. So now we'll buy.
Order filled.
We'll keep averaging till 10. That's what we'll do. And that's the way it goes.
Order filled.
So हो गए. Yeah. And we are looking for it a little more.
Order filled.
That's the one scalp for now. Let's wait. Something. Right now, I'm looking at this thing. So this how way I'm integrating them. And on this one, I'm looking how far it is from EMA, right? And anything below 20 EMA now, we get it. 50 EMA if it touches, we get it. But we are waiting, on the other hand, we are waiting for 10 to 1 hour candle, 11 a.m. candle close that we are waiting. And this is how I had marked up my chart before every trade that I did for today. All the so this was what I was thinking was last defense and everything, and now this is attack. And for the finish of the day, I think we'll attack, but how far we can go, nobody knows. And if a candle closes like this, so this support 702, that makes it very less probability that it will get hunt in today, so we'll try to average. So this is our risk for now, for the whole trading, this risk. So this is going to be our buy zone, and that's what we are going to do. But on the other hand, we are going to, when we are going to buy, right? When we are going to buy, I don't feel like it's going to come that down further. So whenever it is going to come below 20 EMA or even touch it, we'll buy. That's what we'll do. And the other thing I'm seeing here is low, high, lower low, higher high. Higher high is with volume, so very good setup for long, very good setup. So this is going to be our breaker. This is ICT I'm integrating here. So this is my whole, and so okay, I just, I don't know, I could be wrong, right? But everything is coming up, so We'll buy one here.
Order filled.
Now we'll keep averaging up until 704. Because it was too good a setup, so I'm just and on Bookmap they bought it. So okay, we'll buy around 2-3 here. Two. No, we'll buy one here. Maybe two here. In this zone if it comes. Right. Buy one here. So there's a buy limit. Right. There. We will buy no, limit buy one here. We will buy limit buy one here. We will buy right. Have 4 hours to stay in this range. Bounce off of it. Be good. On the upside, we see 720 a target. That's what we see. So this way, oh, so now if you are looking at 720 as target or somewhere there, so this is part 2 going on. It's just this, just your own analysis. If it happens, it happens. Otherwise, we manage our risk. That's trading is. See, so now I feel like my risk is managed. I'm not doing break even and everything because I'm looking for a good target now. And I'm letting it come down because it's a 4-hour candle. Letting it come down. Okay. When it happens, that, yep, make a nice little low here, get my entries and target today. But as we are coming in close to the day, right? It starts ranging, Anything can happen. Okay, I'm doing something not good here. Those that are traders, see. But if you're starting, you'll get it. I'll correct it right now. I have my notes. I'm really bad at doing some very basic things in trading. But I have my notes for those. Okay? Because it keeps me from being biased. I always look at market. I try to look at market as being neutral. Now we are going to see how much of a loss in total this trade is going to give us if it gives us loss. And now also we will average every one of this. So I'll show you what I have done here. I'll make this all as a one order. I'll show you what I'm doing here. So I'm choosing with the whole analysis and everything that we have already done, right? So I've opened up my calculator. I'm adding all of these levels and I'm then doing the average of these levels. So this is my whole position in this area with this managed risk. I'm not putting it everything on just first go. I'm letting it turn. If it turns, it takes many more orders, gives me more nice profit. 3711.4 added, 708.4 added. Okay, wait a minute, I messed up. So all the average of these has come to and what I'm looking for is this thing. So now what I've so this is my whole position as it is coming up on the chart. If it goes up there, it goes up there. If it don't, it comes in between here somewhere, gives me something up until here. Okay, you guys won't see it happening, but I'm trying to manage my risks. So this is the thing that has helped me. We're trying the same thing. Now, what have come up? Reading is done. I'll just let it sit here on the side, and that's it. So that's it, guys. That's it for the trading part.